Hi, we're the Aiken Greening Group. Throughout this semester, we worked around the Aiken Center to find ways to reduce the building's resource use. By working together with the student body, we found ways to make the building as green as possible.
As a group, we took turns taking out the Aiken Center's composting bins twice a week. We brought the 4 bins to the Davis Center, where there is an industrial-sized compost cooler. Once in the Davis Center, we weighed the bins according to the floor in order to track composting progress. We hope this composting program, the first at UVM not in a dining area, will spread into other classroom and office buildings across campus.
We created new signs to be posted on all 3 floors to help students and faculty better understand what can be composted, recycled, or placed in landfill bins. Our goal in creating these signs was to increase the amount of compost being put in the bins, which we could track by our composting tracking sheet. By comparing the amount each floor was producing in compost weight from before and after the posters were put up, we can have a better understanding of how well these posters affected the understanding and actions of people composting.
We also completed a plug load analysis, which is an examination of which electronics are drawing from power sockets in the building. According to the Aiken Center dashboard, 130 kilowatt hours of electricity, or around 32% of the Aiken Center's total electricity use, goes towards plug load. Our group surveyed the Aiken Center and constructed a chart showing how much energy is drawn from plugs throughout the building. By finding potential sources of energy waste, we can work to increase the Aiken Center's energy efficiency and help reduce our carbon footprint. We also wanted to find a way to reduce the amount of energy used by the electric doors in the building. Sometimes the handicap buttons are used more as a convenience rather than a necessity, and we wanted to curb this waste of energy. By putting up these signs, we hope that we can influence people to save a bit of energy, while at the same time showing anyone who visits the Aiken Center that we are seriously committed to living green and reducing our electricity use. We also had a chance to interview Corey Berman, the recycling program supervisor. He told us what he thought about the efforts to further green the Aiken Center.
You know, the Aiken building, again, similar to the Davis Center in the fact that it's right there in sort of that circle between Jeffords and Aiken and Davis. They present sort of a great central campus to, you know, not only to students here, but faculty, staff, and visitors that say, hey, this is UVM, we really care about what goes into our buildings, not only the students, of course, but the faculty and the staff and the materials and also what comes out of the building. So I think it's a good statement.
Through our efforts this semester in the Greening of Aiken internship, we completed several small projects around the Aiken Center. We hope that our new signs improve energy efficiency and boost composting participation. Overall, we work to keep the Aiken Center a model of eco-design and sustainability so that it can continue to be a model for the entire UVM campus.